So this is the Gimbal Q09 made for both Apple and Android smartphone. What comes in the box is this device. You can see it up close. As well as a manual, as you can see. Basically it tells you about all the function and how to set it up and how to use it. And there's also a Type-C charger USB cable that comes in the box as well. So the 4-in-1 function comes including a gimbal stabilizer. We'll get more into that shortly. It's also an extendable selfie stick, so you can use this outdoors when you're on the beach or when you're doing your vlogging. Number 3, it's an aluminum alloy tripod that can be extended between 30 to 70 centimeters. So it provides an even more stable platform that goes well for handshaking and anti-shake performance when you're doing your vlogging. Number 4, it has a 360 desktop mode, which uses a single axis motor and advanced face recognition technology that basically keeps you in the picture. So you can use it for TikTok vlogging as well as your YouTube videos. Also, if you want to produce studio standard videos, there is a QR code that you can scan and you can download an app that was made just for this thing. It will provide you with multiple templates to do just that. And you can do all that by just the click of a button. In fact, they said that it is so simple, even beginners can use it. There is a remote control that is neatly tucked in the centerpiece that can be easily removed by pressing both ends and pull. Alright, this can be used to start recording. It can also be used to change from landscape to portrait mode, as well as many other functions, even from 33 feet away. So this right here is the manual tightening screw. You can also adjust that. If you are recording from the top, you can adjust the recording angle as well, and then you can replace it in its normal position. Alright guys, so this is the gimbal unlock clip right here. This is where you can switch between gimbal stabilizer and your selfie stick. On the back of it, there is a fill light that has a power button right here. You can just depress that for a few seconds, and then you can change the light mode. As you can see, it's switched between warm and different light tones. It is just perfect for night vlogging and YouTube videos. And to power it off, all you have to do is to keep this button depressed and it will turn off. Alright, the charging port for the light is right here, as you can see. This light can also be removed from the back and be placed at the front as well for your recording convenience. So this is what it looks like when it's attached to the front. It's simple, and that's the slot if you want to put it back in the back. At the top of it, you can see the C-type slot where you can charge this, and also there's a power button. The power button for the remote is right here as well, in the form of a camera button. This is actually the power button. All you have to do is depress that for a while, and then you will see it comes on. Also for the gimbal, you basically press this button right here and it comes on as well when you see the light. And when it comes to travel, this thing is so compact that it can fit anywhere. So it's awesome for your travel. So small that it can fit in your pocket, just like that. And this area is where you fit your smartphone. This clamp can be adjusted to fit the size or the width of your mobile device. Also, to let you know that this comes with a 600 milliamp battery, which means that you can get 2 to 3 hours of operations from it. As well as this remote control comes with a 100 milliamp battery, which means that you can get 10,000 plus photos of continuous shooting from it as well. Just to remind you that this is not a review, but it's just an unboxing. I will do a full review of this device and I'll tell you exactly how it performs and if it is worth it. Alright, this has been another unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for viewing. I'm out.